ठीक है.
Okay, I have started the recording, and today's lesson, it's about vocabulary.
Okay.
Okay, so first of all, the thing which starts the vocabulary, it should start from the house.
ठीक है.
First thing which comes into mind regarding vocabulary, so the first should be house. Okay, so in house we have a kitchen. So kitchen is called kitchen in Pashto as well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bathroom, it is called bathroom, as well as we call it latrine.
Okay, sir.
Flour, you already know. Father.
Yes.
More, mother. Okay. The plural of flour is flaran.
जी.
The plural of more is moriani.
Moriani.
Moriani. Like when like small girls, they talk to each other in a very wise manner. So the grown-up girls, the grown-up woman will say moriani di. They are like mothers. Okay. Moriani.
ठीक.
Moriani. Okay. Roar, brother. Rorian.
Rorian.
Khor, sister. Oriani.
Plural.
Khor, sister.
जी.
Oriani is the plural.
ठीक.
Tra is uncle. Trazwe. Trazwe is the son of uncle. Yes. Cousin, but paternal cousin.
जी.
Lur. Lur mean daughter.
जी.
Zwi mean son. Lur mean daughter.
जी.
Trazwi mean paternal cousin, but masculine. This also means paternal cousin, but feminine. Okay. Generally, we can call them Trabachi. Trabachi. Children of uncle.
Okay.
Yes. Aunt. Aunt is called Thror from both sides. Thror. Thror. Aunt. Its plural is Throriani. Throriani. Okay, so Throrzwi. Thror Lur. Thror Bachi. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Thror Bachi. Okay, maternal uncle, like the brother of your mother. He is called Mama. Mama. In Urdu also, I think it is Mamu.
जी हम मामा भी बोलते हैं.
अच्छा. Mama. Mama Zwi. What should be his daughter?
मामा लोर नहीं.
Good.
हाँ.
Mama Lur.
ठीक.
Or children of Mama, how do you say?
मामा बच्चे.
Mama Bachi. Bachi is plural, okay?
Okay.
It's like Bachi in Urdu. Bachi. Mama Bachi.
और बच्चों को क्या कहेंगे वो शुमान कहते हैं ना.
Mashuman.
माशूमान.
Mashuman, children.
Children.
Masoom, like the way it is in Urdu, it becomes Mashoom. if you remember Masoom, so it will be easier for you because Swad is changed to Shin.
जी.
Shuman. Okay. Have war. War mean door. War.
War, door.
Yes. Door of anything. Whether it's house door, whether it's room door, whether it's the room of bathroom, whether it's kitchen, whether it's of vehicle. Vehicle, it is also
Vehicle.
called.
Okay.
How do you say close the door? War band ka.
ठीक.
War band ka. Come in, do. Here it means.
ये order है ना?
Yeah, this is order. War band ka. And open it. War kulao ka. Open. Kolo. Kulao.
Okay.
Open it.
खुलाओ का.
Window is called kalke. Maybe you call it in kalki in Urdu. Kalke.
खिड़की.
Kalke. Yeah, we call it kalke. Window.
Window.
So how do you say the window of the room? The koti kalke. The
ठीक.
koti. Kota mean
Room.
room. Kota. Salt. Salt is called malga. 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 If you want to say put salt on it, put salt. If you want to say put salt, malga wachawa.
ठीक है.
Malga wachawa.
वाचा मतलब वाचोआ का मतलब डालो.
डालो. हाँ.
ठीक है. बोरा वाचवा. अगर हम चीनी को बोलें तो हम कहें बोरा वाचवा.
Chini is called chini. Chini wachawa.
बोरा भी बोलते हैं ना सर?
Chini ko?
हाँ.
We call it chini. Oh, goda. Goda is not chini.
नहीं बुरा बुरा बोरा.
No. I don't know. Bura. Bura we call the thing which we give to animals. Bura.
ठीक है.
Like when we give feed to animals. Kind of thing which is like flour. आटी की तरह होती है. उसको हम कहते हैं बुरा.
मैंने मतलब ऐसे पढ़ा था उसमें वो शॉपकीपर से कहता है बंदा यो किलो बोरा राका.
यो किलो
बोरा राका.
No. Bore mean bore if it is bore it means quantity. Bore mean that big tele एक तेला दे दो.
ठीक है.
बोरे mean like one तेला.
हाँ वो थैला जो होता है जो जिसमें आटे का थैला जैसे होता है.
हाँ तेला.
ठीक है.
बोरे we call it bore. It can be anything. Bore of anything. The alu bore. The alu bore mean like the bag of potatoes. Yes. Borera can mean like give me one bag of sugar.
ठीक है.
Okay. You give me hints as well so that I go on with the vocabulary.
ठीक है सर. सब्जी शुरू करें.
हाँ, सब्जी. Vegetables.
वेजिटेबल्स.
Vegetables में we have which thing? You give me the name.
प्याज.
Pyaz is pyaz. Pyaz mean onions.
और गोभी.
It is called goopy. We change the ba with pa.
हाँ. और केले.
Yes, kele mean bananas. These are fruits.
ओके. पाइनएप्पल.
What is ananas?
अनानास.
Yes.
स्ट्रॉबेरी.
It is strawberry.
और
Apple is called सेव.
हाँ सेब. वो तो पता है मुझे.
What is it in English? It is guava or what thing? Amrud.
अमरूद. गुआवा ही है.
Pumpkin is called kadu.
ओके. मिर्च.
Yes, it is mirch. Okay, a mosque is called Jumat.
ओके.
Jumat is mosque. Ujra, it is hujra. Hujra, it is culture specific thing where people gather when it's time for happiness and when someone dies. Ujra.
ओके ठीक है. और आदमी. आदमी.
सड़े. सड़े.
खलक.
I mean man. Khalak mean people.
हाँ आदमी.
Khaza mean woman or wife.
ठीक है.
Lur mean daughter. Already did. Zui mean son.
अच्छा सर मैंने ये पाइनएप्पल का एक और लिखा हुआ था जे खटके.
Maybe. These are like language, but they are not used in the society that much. Like there are academies, Pashto Academy, etc. They will try to give new names to the new things which come, but they are not used in the society.
Okay.
If you follow dictionary, it only show you the dictionary things, mostly which would not be present in the society.
Okay, ठीक है. बस वो एक तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन है.
Yes, road is called road. Road is called sadak.
और लारा भी कहते हैं ना?
हाँ, लारा, लारा मीन पाथ।
लारा सड़क।
लारा,
गाड़ी, गाड़ी।
यस, vehicles, गाड़ी। मीना, मीना मीन लव।
हेट को क्या बोलेंगे?
नफरत, लाइक उर्दू।
ओके।
ओके, मख, फेस,
फेस। हाँ।
स्तरगा,
आंखें।
आई, वन, आईज, ओजा,
हैंड्स।
नोज,
नोज, नोज। हाँ।
ओजा। लास्ट मीन हैंड।
लास्ट में हैंड।
उगा, उगा मीन शोल्डर। वग, ईयर।
ओके।
वगुना,
टीथ।
ईयर्स।
अच्छा, ये टीथ और ईयर में कंफ्यूजिंग है, मतलब आवाज जो नहीं है।
हाँ,
खाखुना और गागुना।
it is गाख। गाख mean one tooth। गाख,
हम्म।
गाखुना। It's different. There it is waguna and this is गाखुना।
ओके। खाखुना, गागुना।
Fatun, fatun mean thigh। Ran, fatun,
हम्म।
thigh।
नीज।
Hmm?
नीज, गोडे,
Pa।
घुटने।
हाँ, knees, knees mean कुंडे।
ओके। फुट।
पा, feet। Hmm?
और हार्ट, दिल।
Hmm?
दिल।
Yes, zalo, heart, zalo। Ina, liver, whether it's someone's liver or whether it's for eating, whether it's animal's liver। Ina,
ना।
Sina,
और
chest।
सीना, ठीक है।
Nook, nail। Nukuna, nails।
नॉक।
Vekhta, hairs or hair, it works both। Vekhta।
वेख्ता। मतलब प्लूरल भी इसका एक ही है।
हाँ, plural and singular are same।
ओके। और क्या रहेगा? माउथ,
Yes. खुलो. Jabba. Tongue.
ओके,
It also means language.
हाँ
Ah.
सर वो वाई से नहीं होता, यबा,
Hmm?
यबा वाई से
Voice?
नहीं, मतलब वाई वाई से नहीं होता, यबा यबा।
जब Y से लिखी जाती है.
हम्म,
No, we write it like j. जीम से लिखी जाती है. Written with जीम. जबा.
ये जो नहीं होता है, रे अड़े जे ये,
Hmm.
उससे लिखी नहीं जाती।
It is written with जीम बा and ha. जबा.
ओके सर।
What's your point? Hmm?
नहीं, क्या कह रहे सर?
What do you want to say?
मैं कह रही थी मैंने मतलब पढ़ा था कि जो रेड है जे ये है ना, आगे जो ये आता है उससे यबा यबा लिखा जाता था जबान को।
But I think those will be written in an international phonetic transcription.
वही ना।
So it's different. You will not be able to read it like that. This is I am writing it simply in Roman Pashto.
ठीक है।
Which place remains?
प्लेस नेम्स।
No, like which thing remains in the human body which I should write? Okay, belly, theta, or stomach or belly.
ठीक है।
Theta.
और चीक्स। चीक्स।
Mahuna. Mach or mahuna.
ओके। और लिप्स।
Shunde.
ओके।
Shunde.
हुंडे।
One is called Shunda.
ठीक।
Both are called Shunde.
ओके। चिन।
Okay.
चिन।
Zana.
ठीक है।
Zana. Chin. Beard. Gira.
खिता।
Gira.
ठीक है।
Moustache. Breath. Breath.
ब्रेथ।
Breath.
गिरा ब्रेथ। ठीक।
Sar. Head. Mazgha. Brain. Dimag. Mind.
सर हमने 40 कर ली है। 40 वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स कर ली हैं हमने।
Now you use it in its proper context. Gutta mean finger.
ठीक.
Gutte, plural. Fingers. The last gutte. Fingers of the hand.
हाँ, हाथ की fingers.
Takhpu gutte.
ठीक. सर एक खापा होता है और एक खपा होता है.
हाँ. Khafa mean naraz, to get
नाराज.
angry with somebody.
हाँ.
Khapa mean
पैर.
foot. Try to write a paragraph through this vocabulary. Okay, all of the students.
पैराग्राफ में शॉपकीपर वाला इस तरह करके.
No, this you can write any kind of paragraph, but use this vocabulary somehow. Use kawal and kedal verbs in the middle also.
है इतना मुश्किल.
Okay, do it. You can do it.
ओके सर, अपनी मर्जी के चॉइस के वर्ब्स ले लेंगे, ठीक है.
The verbs you want.
और प्रेजेंट में लिखना है कि उसमें.
It's now your choice because we have done all the tenses. Use all the tenses.
बहुत मुश्किल हो.
Okay. How much you can?
ओके सर, इंशाल्लाह कोशिश करेंगे.
You can use like present to be, past to be, future to be as well. When you are talking about your nose, your face, so you would use like if you want to say my nose is big, so then you would use present to be, no conjugation.
ठीक है.
Okay. So for mostly for the body parts, it's present to be, which is used.
ठीक है सर.
Okay, inshallah, we will end the lesson here, and tomorrow we will contact. Inshallah, we will have another lesson.
Okay, sir.
Done?